Shots like nigga. You know what the fuck going on. Let me breathe. Mind on business, nigga, mind your business. If I shoot him, I'ma hit him, I don't leave a witness. Play the role like I'm an angel, but I step with demons. Pitching rocks in the field and I ain't playing defense. If it's love, nigga, I ain't gotta pretend. Cop a pack and make it jump like the club on weekends. What's the word? Smoking blunts, bending curves. Lost my nigga, I can't even put that shit in words. Sucking niggas in the way, you gotta pay to play. Fuck nigga, give it all away, just to say straight. Blood only make you family, nigga, keep my people straight. If you ain't talking about dollar bills, I can't conversate. I ain't trying to hear all them lies and what them people say. We was fucked up, sharing clothes, these niggas love to hate. Still selling dope, my shit dope, these fiends get to shake. Pop a pill just to stay awake, I had the starter kit. If you don't understand my pain, nigga, then you probably weak. Baby girl sucking on my dick till she weak knee. Took some losses in, took some wins, you gotta take heed. The ones around you probably want you down, that's when you switch speed, nigga. And that's fucked up. How the fuck you say you love me? I ain't need much. Came a long way from standing eating free lunch. It's still love, I just gotta keep my reach on them. I ain't tryna go back and forth. Back and forth. I ain't tryna go back and forth, nigga. I'ma sleep, homie. Gang! Let that bitch ride, man. You know what the fuck going on, nigga. Yeah. Pay attention, nigga.